I'm figuring out my hair situation, sort of. Not really. We kind of already know the hair situation. It just is. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. On today's episode of What is Going on My Face, she's almost all done. However, I'm really excited to try this palette. I know I was like, I'm not gonna get it, but then I got it because like it was on super sale, and like, look how squishy cool the palette is. Oh, I love this. This is the Melt times Bailey Serian Fataly Yours Too. I don't have the first one. I want the first one. But we're gonna come in with these cups. Aren't they gorgeous? And look, you have a mirror, but then also the shadow cover is Miss Bailey Serian herself. Yes, I miss her. All the YouTube videos, actually. I was gonna say like point out one. No, I missed them all. But I'm gonna come in with a couple shadows today. This one looks super pink on my viewfinder, like on camera, but it is the reddest red. Okay, there we go. Reddest red, but I mean it's shimmery. Shim, 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 matte, 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 matte. Oh, God, I love matte. If you're new here, I love mattes so much. I've considered adding another child to name it Matte. M-A-T-T. M-A-T-T-E. M-A-T-T-I-E. Not sure. But anywho, isn't this cute? We're gonna matchy match today because I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do. I do want to come up with a little bit of red, but then I was like, this brown, she speaks to me. And then I saw the gray and I was like, just a little bit won't hurt. Let's come in with a big fluffy brush because I want to do like a transition-y shade. But I was like, do I do the gray or do I do the brown? So this one's smoke and this one's buff. Oh, and then there's Kitty. Let's start with Kitty. And I'm going to do the inner corner. Do I not have a... I have a mirror in my hand. I'm well aware of that. Down we go. I was like looking for a mirror. I was like, they're not close enough. Literally a mirror in my hand. But let's come in. I shouldn't use the biggest fluffiest brush because I'm going to come in and do this right here in the corner, inner corner. That is so gray. I was thinking this is more of like an off-white. This is gray. Oh, I love that though. It has been a minute since I've had such a nice color. And I'm not doing everywhere, but I'm going to come in just the inner corner. How much of this can I put and where? Like just enough to start me off. And I know some people start on the other side. Everybody starts everywhere. Honestly, it just depends on what I'm feeling, where I want to start, what I want to do. I'm not 100% what I want to do yet. I know I'm like complaining that I didn't have a mirror close enough. I'm using like the super furthest mirror I have when this one's right here. Then try and go in lightly, or I'm trying to go in starting lightly. Small bits of color and building. Because you can always add more, but you cannot always take away. Especially with like red. Reds, oh, no. Reds love to do the staining. That's okay. And yeah, I'm coming all the way up to my brow with this. We're gonna get up everywhere. Oh my gosh. This is cute on its own. Just like a smidgen, right? Yeah. I think I went a little bit too hard on the blush. Is that really like a thing? Probably not. Okay. Then I think I want to do buff on my actual lid and maybe do smoke as like more of a transition. But I'm not too sure. Gentle taps. I just pressed it once and I got a lot. Let me tap off. I'm gonna have a lot of pigment. I just know it. This is what, my second time working with melt makeup, melt cosmetic. Yeah. Ooh. The Melt Cosmetic eyeshadow. Melt eyeshadow. So I'm stamping it in just a smidgen and in the crease. And then I'm gonna come and buff it up near my brow because I want her to go up there. I 130% should have came in with some tape. I don't know who keeps taking my tape and for what. What is there to tape at the house? Somebody. Watch what I'm doing. Gentle. And then press, press, press. In the crease. Okay. Then I gotta switch my brushes up because I'm just coming in with the same one. I want to get more precise. Yeah, we'll come back in and blend with the bigger brush if I need to, which I usually do, but smaller, still kind of fluffy. This one's angled. Whatever floats your goat will do. It's okay. I'm coming in with buff. That was kind of a hard tap. I like, oh no. But start towards the middle and I'm going to work it in towards the inner corner and outer edge corner. And remember, we can always add more color. We cannot always take away. So just baby steps. Ooh, yeah. Baby steps. That is this. So it's not brown. It's more of like a dark blackish color. Yeah. Oh, this kind of sucks. That's alright, I did it to myself. I thought this was going to be more brown. I don't think this is very brown. On my end here, I'm seeing not very brown. Let me grab my mirror to get a bigger picture because I'm not liking this. No. Oh, actually, I wanted brown brown. This is kind of just like a dark gray. Yeah. And unfortunately, no matter how many times I swipe off my brush to kind of like clean it and come back in to try and take away some of that color I deposited, it's not coming back. Cannot remove deposits. That's okay. Yeah, I'll just go with it. Let me, before I come back and buff stuff, let me come in with a red because that's what I wanted to do. This one's already got some little red on it. Okay, let me come in. This is like a flat herb brush. I feel like I'd use this more for like pressed shimmers, glitters. As I say that and then I look and I have the shimmer. Let me come in with crimson, just a little, like teeny tiny bit. Nobody does that anymore, do they? The little tap off? Nobody. That's okay. And we're going to start on the bottom. It is just for the bottom. That's the whole point of me doing this. Just for the bottom. I want it to like pop. That's the pop color I wanted. That's it. Part of me wants to come in with that shimmer red, fiery. But then the other half of me is like, don't mess this up more than you already did. Yeah, I think this is good. I'm gonna come back in with this buffer. And which one did I use? This one, Smoke, right? Smidge. Around here some more. There we go. Tappa tappa. More on like my brow bone, not on my lid. Gorgeous. Ugh. I was not trying to go for a dramatic look. Immediately, as soon as those words left my mouth, I was like, that's a lie. When do I not want to do a dramatic look? Ugh. And it's always the eyes. The eyes are just lovely every time. I can't help it. I love it. And then come back in with my slanted Ingly brush. A little bit more here. Puff, brighten this up. Puff, brighten this up. Are we still okay? Yeah, I think it's still okay. On this side, I think it looks good. This side, I think I need more. Better? Yeah, better. And then I know because there's the black in here, noir, I want to come in and do this on my lash line, but I'm like, no, you don't need it on your lash line. We're going to do mascara and it looks beautiful on it. But I kind of do. And you know what? I know I said no to the black liner stamping kind of thing. I lied. Oh, boy, did I lie. Taking this super flat, I'm pretty sure you're a liner brush. Morphe times Ariel? Do not clock me on my Spanish. Can't roll my R's. Okay? Am I okay? Is this okay? Mascara. Mascara. She needs the mascara stat. This is a little too lively. Legitimate question. Yeah, that's cute. I like it. Ooh. Back in there we go. First of all, second of all, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Not what I was intending. However, how can you not, like, the brown in here is not a brown. Where are you? This one, buff. Buff is not buff. No. Buff is, at least on me, it turned into this gray. I don't have a nice word to, like, off auburn. No, it's gray. Look at her. She's gray. Is still the cutest little palette. Yes. This is one you keep out on your coffee table for your visitors to look at when they come over. Like, it is a conversation piece. I was gonna say a piece. It's a conversation piece. She's cute. She's beautiful. The mattes. I didn't do shimmers. Maybe next time we could do shimmers. Oh, like a black and gold moment. Oh, yes. Yes. But the way this is right now, first of all, I love that. I love her. Man, I'm in love with her. Super good. Aside from that one, I really love these shadows from Melt Cosmetics. Has anybody else been playing around with them? Love them? Try them out. They have like the cute little stacks I've been wanting to try because I'm like, I'm in my brown girly era right now and I want to take them everywhere with me. I have the, what are they? The Kaja little eyeshadow stacks. Super cute. And like if I could get them in this formula in brown on the go, man, oh, let me tell you. Anywho, I'm just rambling at this point. This is the final look. She's got it going on. I'm gonna go now. I have dinner to, well, it's already prepped. I gotta go make it, but I'll catch you in my next video. Okay, bye.